But first, let's join Freddie to learn more about the wonderfully colourful Calibrachoa.
Hi there, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery and welcome to my world of colour. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Calibrachoa varieties, which are actually often mistaken to be petunias as they look alike. They grow in mounds of leaves that form trailing stems. These stems are where the flowers grow and are covered with brightly coloured flowers from spring to summer. Calibrachoa is an easy plant to grow and so is a favourite for many gardeners. They give the best flowers in full sun but will tolerate semi-shade and actually last longer if they are planted in semi-shade for the hot summer months. When planting your Calibrachoas, make sure they are planted in well-drained soil. Water them regularly and keep the soil moist. Apply a fertilizer during spring and summer to encourage a longer lasting and better flowering period. They are excitable in the garden, so pinch them back to keep them compact. This is the mini famous Calibrachoa. It flowers with large flowers from early spring. It does semi-trail and so is ideal for large hanging baskets. Calibrachoa Cha-Cha is a quick grower and so is ideal for adding color in containers, hanging baskets and mixes. It flowers in early spring with lots of blooms and so is great for early season color. The Cabaret has to be one of the best varieties if you are looking for color range. They first flower with bicolored flowers and then turn into solid colors as the flower ages. And did you know, most Cabaret varieties flower for 10 hours a day and stay open in flower even under low light conditions. This we call the goodnight kiss. And as you can see, it has many flowers that cover the foliage. They are self-cleaning and so always looking clean, neat and tidy. And that's my quick color overview for the Calibrachoa variety. Don't forget, we've made it really easy. All the information you need is on the label. Remember, in good times and in bad times, flowers bring you moments of joy.